Can I be honest with you about something? I see so many businesses in Ghana posting beautiful content every day. Good photos, good captions, good reach, and still no sales. The problem is almost never what you think it is. It's not your budget. It's not the algorithm. It's not even your product. The number one reason marketing doesn't convert is this. You are marketing what you like, not what your customer actually needs. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I'm Ruth Ayikuje Ada, marketing strategist and founder of ARA Consulting Agency. My work is helping founders and SMEs build marketing systems that don't just look good, but actually bring in clients. And the insight I'm sharing today is one that I have to have with almost every client I work with because it's that common. Marketing exists for one reason: to satisfy customer demand, not to express the business owner's personality, not to show off the product, to solve a real problem that a real person has. When your marketing loses sight of that, it becomes noise. Ego marketing is when you create content about what excites you about your product, rather than what your customer is actually searching for. Here is an example. A fashion business owner who is in love with the craftsmanship of her product. So every post is about the fabric, the stitching, the process. But her customer, she doesn't care about the stitching. She cares about looking confident at her best friend's wedding. She cares about finding something that fits her shape. She cares about being admired. The product is the same, but one conversation connects, the other doesn't. Marketing that doesn't address a real pain, meet a real need, or deliver real value becomes noise, and noise doesn't convert. Before you post anything, ask yourself, is this for me or is this for my customer? There are 3 questions that will immediately improve your marketing when you answer them honestly. 1. What is the real problem my customer has before they find my product? Not the surface problem, the deep one. The one they'll tell a close friend about at 11 p.m. 2. What does their life look like after they've used my product or service? What has changed? What have they gained? What worry has disappeared? 3. What words do they use to describe their problem? Not your industry jargon, their words. When you use their language in your marketing, they feel like you're reading their mind. When you can answer all 3, your marketing stops being about your product and start being about their life. That's when it converts. Here is the sequence that most businesses get backwards. Most businesses build product, create content, run ads, wonder why nobody buys. Businesses that convert understand customer demand, build the right message, create content that speaks to that demand, run ads that amplify what's already working. Promotion should come after you've confirmed that your message resonates, not before. Structure before promotion, always. The businesses that are getting consistent clients right now in Ghana are not necessarily the ones spending the most. They are the ones who have gotten very clear on what their customer needs, and they speak to that clearly, consistently, every single time. To recap, the number one reason marketing doesn't convert is that businesses market what they like, not what customers need. The fix is simple, but not always easy. Get out of your own head and into your customer's world. Answer the 3 questions. Build your message around the answers. Then promote. If you want help doing this for your specific business, that's exactly what a paid clarity call is for. We look at your current marketing, identify the gaps, and build a clear plan to fix them. Link is in the description. Drop a comment and tell me, what do you think your customer's real problem is? Let's talk about it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.